What is going on, everybody? I just want to make a quick video about this Morimoto license plate lights for the F-150. I've got 2013, but I believe these fit quite a few years. Just got them in the mail. They are from, I ordered them off of Eastern Shore Retros. They're a great reseller of Morimoto products. I've actually gotten my taillights from there too, and now these. So yeah, if you need any lights, hit them up. Great customer service. So this is actually my second pair. The first pair went out due to my fault. One of them started flickering because on here, clearly in the instructions say to make sure this gets plugged into that. And what I had them left in the truck like this, so water got inside and messed it up. Here's what the light looks like. Got lots of LEDs there. And the plug right there. So let's go put them on the truck. So to get these off, you just need a flathead screwdriver. You push in and they'll pop out. And you're about to, so this is actually the one I was having issues with. As you can see, I didn't have this plugged into this, but my issue is I was like, oh, the cord's so tight, I'm gonna break something, but I guess not. I mean, water got in the back of this, and now this one is, when it rains, it'll actually get fogged up, and like 6 of those little LEDs no longer work. But it's a pretty straightforward install. To change the bulb, if you have the OEM ones, you might have to reach up underneath the bumper here and like twist it out and pull it out. But to get these caps off, it's just using that flathead and pushing out as so. And then actually have that one secured correctly. Well, there you go. That is that's why I'm having to replace them though. So I'm gonna replace both anyway, but ideally this is what it looks like at the end and why this one's still working. I don't know what happened to this one, why that one was like that. For some reason I thought I left both open like this, but just unplugs like that. If you have the bulb, it's been so long so I don't really know what it used to look like, but pretty much you gotta remove the bulb, or the bulb, I think it's all, yeah, just remove the bulb and plug this guy in. So all right, so like I said, that one was totally my fault for it going out. It honestly lasted a year plugged in like that, but there's a reason that one was still working and this one wasn't. So what you have to do is when you're installing these, you think you're gonna break it because it makes like bad like noises with like this, but pretty much this cord has to go, there's a hole in there and you just have to shove it in there and like that. Honestly, not even like that. You see how it's like trapped around it? It needs to be down in there, and then you just plug it in to that and twist to lock it in place. So we got one installed. Just to pop it back in, it's really easy. So once you got it sealed right here, you just put the front in first and then just give it some force. All right, so we got both these installed. Like I said, easy process. Make sure you seal that in. You think you're gonna break it, you're not gonna break it, or else you end up like me. Yeah, it was 35 bucks to replace them, but definitely wanna make sure you get that waterproof seal or else the LEDs will go out. But they look clean. They light up your license plate all the way up to the Ford emblem. It actually looks pretty sick at night. Way a better upgrade than stock. But yeah. Bought these for like 35, 36 or 7 bucks on Eastern Shore Retros. Great deal. And any questions, just leave them in the comments. Hope this helps, and thanks for watching.